Hey YouTube, I just did a short film, a real short film actually, of the Heckler & Koch USP. Here it is in action. Let me get it ready. One sec. There it is, YouTube. Take off safety. There's our, I'll take you up to our target. Heckler & Koch should be good. Here's our target. I set it up at approximately 5 yards, so I'll see the action. Here we go, YouTube. It's getting cold. Go check it out. And remember, this is my first, so it's going to be crappy. It's not too bad for an airsoft. There you go. First tread.